Hi, my name is Courtney Cross, and I'll be talking about my marketing invention. So, my invention was a preset coffee maker. So basically, this product is the same as the presetting of a seat in your car, but for your morning coffee. So the seating in your, not every car has it, but it's the setting where it usually has a 1, 2, and 3 button. You adjust your seat automatically how you want, and you can let someone else drive your car and they can move it how they want, and then you can just hit the number 1 button or whichever one your setting is on, and it goes back to exactly the same spot that you need to drive in. Um, so this machine would be for your coffee. It would measure the amount of sugar and creamer that you like in your coffee, and it would remember that exact amount and measurement of the sugar or creamer, and then you just push the button, and each time it would make the same amount in your coffee every morning. And then at the end, it would stir it all together for you. How did this invention come to my mind? I drink coffee every morning, and most of the time, it never tastes exactly the same. I sometimes drink it with just sugar, sometimes I put sugar and creamer in it, but usually I don't take the time in the mornings because I'm too lazy to measure exactly 2 teaspoons of sugar or 2 teaspoons of creamer, and I just dump the sugar in there, dump the creamer in there, and it never ends up tasting exactly the same. If you go to Starbucks or Dunkin' and you order your favorite coffee order, it's most likely always going to taste the same because they use the same measurements and stuff. So basically, I'm just too lazy. Some obstacles that you would face with this. So you have the Keurigs that make your coffee already with the little pods, but the cost to make the machine might be pretty high just because you would have to figure out all the settings for it, and that's another obstacle is figuring out all the aspects for it. So if you would have creamer, obviously you would need a portion of the machine to be cooling and then a portion of the machine to heat the water like the Keurig does for the coffee, and then a portion to just keep the sugar contained, and then the price for the customers would probably be an obstacle. I know Keurigs can range anywhere from about $50 to 200 depending on how extensive the machine is, how many settings it is. So I'm sure this machine would be probably closer to 200 if more. Not exactly sure, but then it's just would people be willing to pay that price? I know since I said I'm already lazy in the mornings, I would definitely pay for this machine, but it's just the fact if enough people would buy the machine. Um, and that is it.